Hello, this is the lecture number 3 for the chapter Statistics for the class 11th, and in this lecture we'll discuss the shortcut method to find the mean deviation about the mean. And you know how to find the mean about, you have to know the mean by the shortcut method you have done in your class 10th also. So let the marks obtained by the students be 10 to 20, 20 to 30. I'm taking this example. 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and then 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 to 80. And the number of students, which is frequency, we know it. It is 2, 3, let us take 8, 14, 8, 3 and 2, and the total frequency is 40. Now to find the mean by using the shortcut method, you know, first of all you have to find the class marks, which is the mid values. 15, 20 for mid values of the class interval, it is 35, it is 45, 55, 65 and 75. Now to find the mean about the median for the group data, we first of all assumed, we find its assumed mean, which we take from the xi's, the middle value. So let the assumed mean of this data be 45. बिल्कुल बीच की लगभग वैल्यू ले लेते हैं. And after that we'll find ui. ui क्या होता है? xi minus assumed mean upon class size. Class size here, class size. Now assumed mean here is 45, तो यहाँ पर आप 45 कर लीजिए. Class size here is 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 10 है यहाँ पर class size, 10 करिए. Now find its ui. तो ui कितना होता है? xi minus 45 upon 10. 15 minus 45, it is minus 30 divided by this, it is minus 3. 25 minus 45, it is minus 20 divided by 10, that is minus 2. Similarly minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. इसी ऑर्डर में आता है हमेशा ये. अज्यूम इनके आगे 0 आता है, 1, 2, 3 एंड माइनस 1, माइनस 2, माइनस 3. उसके बाद आप क्या करते हैं? fi को ui से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. fi को ui से इट विल बी माइनस 6. 3 into minus 2, that is again minus 6. 8 into minus 1, 0. 8 into 1, 8. 6 and 6. So this is the sum which is coming out to be 0. अगर इसको ऐड करते हैं 0 आ रहा है. And what you have to do after that? First of all you have to find the mean. पहले आप इसका mean find करेंगे. शॉर्टकट मेथड से मीन होता है समेशन fi ui अपॉन समेशन fi इंटू क्लास साइज. तो एज्यूम मीन यहाँ पर 45 था, ये आपका बाई चांस 0 आ गया, डिवाइडेड बाय 40 इंटू 10, तो 45 इसका मीन आ गया बाय शॉर्टकट मेथड. तो एज यूजुअल तो क्या करेंगे? पहले यहाँ पर आप xi में से मीन माइनस करेंगे, then you have to multiply this with the frequency as we have done in the last example or in the last lecture. तो आप इसका डिफरेंस फाइंड करिए. xi में से उसका मीन हमारे पास 45 आया है, तो xi में ये रहा आपका 15 minus 45, 20 minus 55, 35 minus 45 and so on. तो it is coming out to be how much? 30, then it is 20, then it is coming out to be 10, then 0, then 10, then 20 and then it is coming out to be 30. 75 minus mean 45, 30 आएगा. फिर आप इस कॉलम को एज यूजुअली हैव डन इन द लास्ट, इस कॉलम को इस कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इट विल बी 60, अगेन 60 एंड इट इज 80, इट इज 0, इट इज 80, 60, 60 और इसका जो टोटल सम आ रहा है इट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 400. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द शॉर्टकट मेथड. मेन शॉर्टकट है कि हमने यहाँ पे मीन को शॉर्टकट से निकाला है. So it mean deviation is, you know it, summation fi xi minus median divided mean divided by total frequency. तो total sum इसका 400 आया था, total frequency 40 है, that is 10 is the mean deviation about the mean. 10 is the mean deviation about the mean. Okay. So this is the how you can find the mean deviation about the mean for the group data within class interval, without class interval, and by using the shortcut method. Now I'll discuss how to find the mean deviation about the median for the group data with the class interval. Main thing is you must know how to find the mean to find the median for the group data with class interval, and you have done this in your class 10th also. So let us take the class interval as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. This data I have taken, and the frequency I am taking as 6, 7, 15, 16, 4, and 2. Now to find the median for the group data with class interval, you know it. First of all, you will find its cumulative frequency, which is 6. 6 plus 7, it is 13. 15 plus 13, it is 28. Then 16 plus 28 is 44. Then 48, and it is 50. So this is the cumulative frequency column, and to find the median, you first of all find n by 2, which is 50 by 2, that is 25. अब आपको चेक करना है कि 25 इसमें किस में आ रहा है. तो up to 13 टर्म इट इज यहाँ तक है, और from 14 to 28 terms we have this column. So this is the median class. You know how to find the median class. Median for this formula is lower limit plus n by 2 minus c upon f into class size. You know how to find the median. You have done in your lower classes. So the median class here is 20 to 30. 20 to 30, whose lower limit is this, that is L is this, the frequency is this, you know this, and this is C. आपको पता है इसके फॉर्मूले से निकालते हैं. So lower limit is 20, n by 2 is 25, cumulative C is cumulative frequency just preceding the median class, it is coming out to be 13. Frequency of this median class is 15, and the class size is 10. So this is the median for this group data, which is coming out to be 28. जब इसको आप solve कर रहे हैं, ये 28 आ रहा है. This is the median for this group data. Now as usual, अब आप इसमें क्या करेंगे? First of all, आप यहाँ पर मिड वैल्यूज फाइंड करेंगे पहले कॉलम में, फिर मिड वैल्यू से उसका मीडियन माइनस करके मॉड निकालेंगे, देन फ्रीक्वेंसी को उसके इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एज यूजुअल. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द मिड वैल्यूज. इट इज 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Subtract the median from it and find its modulus. Median we have just find it out. It is equal to how much? 28. तो ये आपका 28 आ गया मीडियन. So 15 minus 28, 5 minus 28, it will be equal to minus 23, and minus 23 का जो mod आएगा, it will be how much? It will be 23. Plus का 23 क्योंकि modulus है, then it will be 13, and it is 3, it is 7, it is 17, and it is 27. ये आपका किस तरह से आया है? 55 में से 28 माइनस करके इसका mod, and then you have to multiply this column with the frequency 6, 7, 15, 10, 4, 2. मल्टीप्लाई करिए, यू आर गेटिंग दिस एज 138, 91, 45, 112, 68 एंड 54. तो टोटल सम आ रहा है आपका 508. सो दिस इज क्या है आपका ये समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस मीडियन का प्रोडक्ट का सम है. सो मीन डेविएशन अबाउट द मीडियन इज, यू नो इट, समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस मीडियन का मॉड डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल frequency. So it is 508 divided by how much? Total frequency, and this is divided, you will get something 10.16. So this is how you can easily find the mean deviation about the median or the mean deviation about the mean for the ungrouped data as well as the group data. Group data can be without class interval and the with class interval, and we have discussed in detail in these first, second and the third lecture we are doing it. So this is how you can do the exercise first of your NCERT book. In question exercise 15.1, you have to find the mean deviation about the mean deviation about the median for the ungrouped data from question number 1 to 4. Exercise, it is 15.1, question number 1, and the data is given as here is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. This is the ungrouped data, and you have to find the what you have to do it? You have to find the mean deviation about the mean for this ungrouped data. So what you have to do it? First of all, you have to find the mean of this ungrouped data, and then we have done the formula. First of all, mean is 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. So this is the mean. So 4 plus 7 is 11, 19, 28, 38, 50, then 60, 63, 70, 80. 80 divided by 8, that is 10 is the mean of this ungrouped data. So what you have to do it? You have to take the column as xi, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Then you have to subtract the mean from it, which is coming out to be 10. Subtract करेंगे. 4 minus 10 is minus 6, 7 minus 10 is minus 3, 8 minus 10 is minus 2, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, 10 minus 10 is 0, 12 minus 10 is 2, 13 minus 10 is 3, 17 minus 10 is how much? 7. Then you have to find the mod of it. इसका आपका mod find करना है. 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 7. और इसका sum find करिए. 9, 11, 12, 14. That is 14 or 3, 17 and 24. So this is the sum, that is summation xi minus mean का summation है. So mean deviation is, formula आपको करा था, summation xi minus mean का sum mod का divided by total number of observation. So it is 24. Total number of observation are this. So mean deviation about this mean for the ungrouped data is 3 in this example number, question number 1 of your NCERT book. Similarly, question number 2, we have given ungrouped data. इसमें भी आपको ungrouped data given है question number 2 में, and you have to find the mean deviation about the mean, which can you do it yourself. Now in question number 3, you have to find the mean deviation about the median. So be very careful. First of all, what you have to do, you have to arrange the data in the ascending order. आपको पता है पहले ascending order में इस data को लगाएंगे. So ascending order में आपका आ रहा है ascending order, because when the data is given in ungrouped, then you have to write in ascending order. So it is 10. Then we have 11. How many times? See it in your book. 11, 11. Then we have 12. Then we have 13. How many times we have 13? 1, 2, 13 we have 2 times. Then we have 14. 14 also we have only 1 time, and 14, after that 14 we don't have. 15. Then we have 16. 16, how many times we have? We have 16, 1, 2 times. Then we have 17, only 1 time. Then we have 17 2 times, and then we have 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is even number of terms. So median for this even number of term is n by 2th term, n by 2 plus 11th term upon 2. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 upon 2, that is the 6th term. That is the 7th term upon 2 is the median. So 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is 13 and the 7th term is 14 divided by 2. So it is coming out to be 27 upon 2. That is 13.5 is the median of this data. 13.5 is the median of this data. Median of this data, ungrouped data containing the even number of terms, and the median for the even number of term is n by 2 plus 1th term upon 2. So 6th plus 7th term divided by 2. The 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 और 14 इसकी 6th और 7th टर्म है, तो मीडियन इसका हमारा इस तरह से यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड इट। तो इसका मीडियन 13.5 आ रहा है, द मीडियन इज 13.5 एंड यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड इट। तो मीडियन इसका 13.5। नाउ फाइंड राइट द कॉलम हेयर, देन फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस मीडियन, देन फाइंड इट्स मॉडुलस। तो हमारे पास कितना है 10 11 11 12 13 13 14 16 16 17 17 एंड 18। ये हमारे पास एक्सरसाइज हो गए। अब इसमें से आप 13.5 माइनस करके मॉड निकालेंगे। तो 10 माइनस 13.5 ये आपका 13.5 है। तो 10 माइनस 13.5 इज माइनस का 3.5। 11 में से 13.5 माइनस करेंगे, इट इज 2.5 माइनस का 2.5 माइनस अगेन 2.5 माइनस, इट इज 0.5 माइनस का 1.5 माइनस का 1.5, इट इज माइनस का 0.5, इट इज माइनस का 0.5, 14 माइनस 13.5 0.5, 16 माइनस 13.5, तो ये आपका 2.5 आ जाएगा, प्लस का 2.5 आ जाएगा, 3.5 आ जाएगा, 3.5 एंड 4.5। सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस। इसका आप मॉडुलस फाइंड करेंगे, पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे सब। 1.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 2.5, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5 एंड 4.5। आप इसका सम फाइंड करिए, जो भी आएगा दिस विल बी समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई माइनस मीडियन का सम आ जाएगा। दिस इज समेशन एफ आई माइनस मीडियन का सम। और ये नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर, हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन हमारे पास 12 हैं। तो जब आप इसको सम को डिवाइड करेंगे किससे 12 से, you will get the mean deviation about the median for the ungrouped data. We'll discuss the remaining question of this exercise in the next lecture. Thank you.